How you doing, guys? It's a very wet and windy December's morning. I was going to go fishing this weekend. I had someone message me and say that they'd actually like to wash and detail the Audi. So I'm going to head over there. It's about 40 minutes away from me. I'm going to see how good his detailing skills are. It'd be nice to meet him. Never met this guy before. He'd seen this car. I'd reached out to him to see if he'd be interested in helping with the Euro trip I'm going to be doing in this in 2026. I don't know kind of what agreement we're going to have, but he's doing a very good price for me. I'll put all of his social media and his website in the description below for you guys to go and check him out, and do check him out. I feel confident that he knows what he's doing. He'll get good results, and hopefully it stops raining by the time I get there and by the time I come back, because it's never nice, is it? You clean your car and it rains. But I think what he said he was going to be doing as well, he's going to be putting a ceramic coating on. And I didn't know this, but you can actually ceramic coat PPF. Didn't know that. And I guess it being XL PPF, it's going to be amazing. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to go see this guy, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. So I spent about 15 minutes on the motorway. It's a bit busy for a Saturday morning, to be expected. So yeah, back down the little country lanes, and it's saying I've got about 15 minutes to go. I did think it would take a little bit longer than what it has. Pretty grateful for the amount of time. As I say, there was a bit more traffic than what I thought on the motorway, but down these kind of, they're not country roads, what are they, B roads? And they're in a real nice area as well. Don't know if any of you guys know Oxshott. That's where I'm just coming through now, and it is very posh. There's posh houses both sides of the road, posh cars going past. I've seen a bunch of Porsches. Like this place is absolutely beautiful here. It's a place I aspire to live one day. I'm never going to get that from doing my work and doing a few little videos like this, but you know, every little helps, and you never know what's going to happen in life. These roads we can only do 30 on down here. So yeah, just take a nice drive, a nice chilled drive on a weekend. Oh, and there's a really nice pub that me, my friends and all of my family have been to up here. And I don't know what it is about the food and the atmosphere. It is just perfect for what I like. It's not overcrowded. The food is really good quality. I always have, wherever I go, I'll always have, if they've got it, bangers and mash. Always. It's just been it is just one of those foods that, I don't know, comfort food. It's just something I feel safe with. Do any of you guys like have any comfort foods when you guys go out to eat? Mine would either be bangers and mash or pizza, but pizza I think is a bit too rustic to have out. But yeah, bangers and mash, honestly, that's my go-to meal in any pub, especially around like the Surrey area. So yeah, as I say, we're just coming through Oxshott, and the Goss Brothers, I think that was a butchery there. Look, we've got Bentleys rolling up, hair salons. Yeah, it is real nice here. And surprisingly, the fuel in this Esso just here is 2p cheaper than where I am. Oh, I love the sound of that V8. Don't know if that's coming up on camera, but man, it sounds amazing. Oh, and as well, I've seen a bunch of Land Rover Defenders, the old Chelsea tractors. I say old, the new Chelsea tractors. So now just coming out of Oxshott. Like these days, I know it's raining and things, but I just love the fact, like I'm only doing 30 miles an hour. And there's a bit of traffic, it's not too much, but just going for a bit of a drive of a weekend, going for a drive in a nice car. Yeah, I couldn't beat it. Actually, to be fair, I could have a £40 carp on the end of the line, but that's not going to happen today. Well, it seems that everyone's got really nice cars around here, but they don't all know how to drive. I literally just nearly got pulled out on the car that's literally behind me now. Now we're just passing through Esher, which again, is a really, really, really fancy place. What I'll do, if the guy lets me, I'll just do a quick walk around of what the current situation is of the car, like what it looks like, what the wrap is looking like, what the wheels are looking like, and where is it saying? Okay, now we're going straight over. Yeah, so I'll do a bit of a walk around and just show you the before and after look of the car. You know, when the guy's finished, I'll do a walk around again, see him, like, just to show you guys what quality work he does. And you guys and girls that are here for the fishing side of things, this is where the Winter Carp Show at Sandown was a couple of weeks ago now. It was quite a good show. I didn't do a video of it, and I wish I'd had. It seemed like the show was bigger, but there was less stands. But I think where they've just compacted all of the stands kind of closer together, they've kind of been able to put more stands in. It was good. Saw a couple of people. Gaz, if you watch him, hello mate. And there was a guy. What was his name? I want to say Rich. Tricky Dicky, I think that's what his name was, like his username was. It was nice to see you, mate. Thanks for approaching me and saying hello. Right here, Sandown, just there. Yeah, no, I do appreciate it. It's always nice to know and chat to people that interact with me. Right, so guys, this is the state of the car at the moment. Obviously, dirt, grime, everything. There's no water beading, you know, look at that. If you know your cars and your water beading and things, that's not exactly great. So it's not looking in its best form. Look at the state of the wheels. Not very nice. So I'm hoping that, oh right, and I found out this guy's called Ben as well, so pretty easy name to remember. Yeah, it's not looking that great. But hopefully when Ben's worked on it, this car look amazing again, so fingers crossed. Let's go. Little Pom and I are going for a walk. He said he's going to do the interior and exterior. He's going to do me a good discount. He's a nice guy. We were just chatting about cars and what cars he's owned, what cars I've owned, and yeah, it seems like we've got pretty decent interest in cars. So I'm going to leave him getting on with the car. As I say, Pom and I are going to go for a walk. I can't remember where he said. I think he just said go to the main road and turn, I want to say turn left. Go over the 2 bridges, he said. Right, let's try and find some bridges. So some guy has just said that the town's down this road, over the bridge, get to a mini roundabout, turn left, and there's a Tesco's there. So Pom and I going to carry on down there. Might get something to eat. Oh, it's all horrible and wet and cold. I say I like this part of the year where the cold and the rain, but no, I just prefer when it's freezing cold. I was talking to one of my colleagues yesterday actually, asking her about if in Poland it's snowing. She said it snowed once, but it's already melting. And unfortunately, climate change or global warming has caused the snow not to return for quite a while. So, yeah, she was saying when the snow is here, everyone gets super excited because it might not, but it might be the last time that they see snow. Oh, I wish snow. I wish snow. I want snow to be here. I'd rather that than this horrible drizzly rain. Anyway, oh look, a river. A river, Pom. Pommy Pom. There you go, guys. Bit for you guys who love a bit of fishing. Right, we're going to get to Tesco's because it is cold, wet, freezing. It's horrible. Me and Pom had to shelter in this little cafe. What I'll do, I'll put the location of it down below. Very friendly people. They allowed the dog in. Like Pom's just with me now. Got a double macchiato, as I normally do. And then I got this. It's called a borek. Basically, it's just cheese and spinach with puff pastry in different layers. This stuff is absolutely amazing, and I'm going to tug into it. Oh, by the way, here's Pom. You looking sad? He's definitely looking sad. Anyway, I'm gonna chow down. Right, guys, we're out, and it's called Match My Coffee, and I'll put a pin to them. They were super friendly. They actually let the dog in, which was really nice. They had a toilet, which was super clean. Really impressed with that. Yeah, so on the way back now to get the car. It's still raining, which sucks because it's clearly the rain's just gonna not show up how good the car is gonna look. But you know, we'll see when we get back. That cafe really made my day. It's nice when you have people and companies, and especially little establishments like that, letting dogs in, because dogs are our world nowadays, aren't they? He enjoyed himself. Let's carry on walking. Come on, Pooch. Got to find a cash machine. I couldn't find one. Well, you lovely people. The car got cleaned. Where are you? There you are. The car got cleaned, but the rain didn't stop. So we agreed that next weekend I'll come down, and Ben said he'll clean he'll wash the car again for me, and then what he'll do, he'll protect it. So hopefully the what's it called, like the ceramic coating will be applied. But it was just too wet. Like, the rain was relentless. Me and the dog had a 3.5 mile walk back and forth to the town, which was quite nice actually. I had a coffee, as you guys saw. I actually got a bit of a haircut, or a bit of a trim. I'll put the name of the barbers that I went to in the description as well. They were super nice. The guy in there, we were just having a chat. To be fair, I could have stayed there for like another hour. The guy was really nice to chat to. And if you do watch this, thanks for the haircut and thanks for the chat. So for now, the dog and I are going to just drive back and just hopefully not get the car too dirty. It is a real shame that it's not a drier day, because the car looks absolutely amazing. The wheels, by the way, they look brand new. They look brand new. So Ben, thank you so much for that. I do appreciate that. As I say, it sucks that it's raining, but we're going out for a drive. It's the weekend, can't complain. Anyway, I'm going to leave the video here. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like. If you want to subscribe, down there. You want to watch more videos, just up there. All right, bye.